Here's one of those times in math when this starts to look like it's going to be a really hard problem because we've got an exponential function, but 5 and 1, how are we supposed to rewrite? Usually we rewrite the bigger number to make it equal to the smaller one. And so this one is actually going to work in the opposite way. But the nice thing is, once you know how this works with the number 1, then it just kind of makes these problems, actually, they end up being simpler, which is always nice. Simpler is better, right? I think so anyway. Okay, so remember that anything to the 0 power, essentially, pretty much anything, is 1. So if I need these bases that are 5 and 1, I need them to be the same number. Then I could rewrite that 1 as 5 to the 0 power, because then they would both be a base of 5. So 5 to the 3n equal to 5 to the 0, because 5 to the 0 is 1. So that's why I can just take the 1 and change it to this. Now we have the same base, right? If the bases are the same, that means that the exponents have to be equal. So 3n is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 3. 0 divided by anything is 0. And that means our answer is n is equal to 0. So just remember that 0 exponent rule and you are set. I hope that helps. See you next time.